It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hi there, it's Layle with Layle by Mail, and I'm here today to share with you my 2018 Document Your December Project Kit. So first we'll take a look at the project that I made with the kit. Of course, you can always make the project that I make because the kit includes color step-by-step instructions, or you can kind of go out on your own and create something different. So the kit is based on a number of products from the Simple Stories Merry and Bright collection, and we'll take a look at those products towards the end of the video. At the end of the video, you will also find a link to pre-order the kit that will be shipping at the end of September. So the basis of the kit is the gorgeous 2-inch thick, and 2-inch thick is always super important when it comes to a project like this because you're adding a lot of photos. The 2-inch thick Merry and Bright 6x8 snap holiday binder. As you can see, I've decorated the cover, but this will give you a really good feel for the project. The book, I've made 30 pages in the book, and fronts and backs, so that's really 60 front and back pages. You'll see that not each page, because in some cases there's more than one page for a particular day, but you'll see that each day is indicated by one of those large numbers, and the kit includes numbers 1 through 25. You'll see the book is a mixture, the project is a mixture of pocket pages and smaller tags and pages, and then other pages as well. So the whole idea behind the project is that you get the kit ready to go, kind of completed before the beginning of December, and then in December you start working on the project, actually adding your photos and stories. With this kit, I included a really fun product called photo booklets, and there's actually a 3x4 size and a 4x6 size, but basically these can slide right into the pocket pages, and then you have little photo pockets inside there, photo sleeves. So it enables you to add a lot more photos to a particular day, and I think those are really fun to use. I'll leave that out for now. Lots of little fold outs and interactive elements. The kit has enough to create pages 1 through 25, and I know there are some of you that actually like to go up to 31 in your projects like this, and if you wanted to do that, there's a little bit of product left over that would help you to do that, but you'd need to just add some extra paper and maybe some extra embellishments and things. But the kit, as I mentioned, is shipping end of September. Lots of room for wonderful photos and stories that you're telling throughout the month of December. And if you do not kind of do a memory each day in December, then you don't have to use those numbers, and you could just have that be about different things that happen or different stories you want to tell in December. And this is the 4x6 version of that photo booklet that we looked at before. So basically in there you've got 4 sleeves, so I could add up to 8 additional photos in that photo booklet, which I think is great. I've used that one, the 4x6 one, on the 25th, since typically you've got a lot of photos from that day. So there you have it. That is the finished project. And now let's take a look at the product that is included in the kit. So the basis of the project, as I mentioned, is that 6x8 snap holiday binder from Simple Stories. Beautiful design, nice metal corners, metal book plate, so it's more of a sturdy album, because if your albums are like mine, especially around the holidays, they get touched and looked at a lot. There are a number of pages that are already included in the album, as well as 12 different pocket pages for each of 3 different designs. So that's going to be the basis of that project. From there, lots and lots of different things, let's start with the 6x8 pad. So with that 6x8 pad, there are 24 double-sided sheets to each of 12 different designs. So let's kind of flip through that one very quickly, but you'll see a really nice assortment of pattern and color, scaled print, so some that are larger, some that are smaller. Some of those we'll be just using as pages in the book itself, and others we'll be cutting up and doing lots of fun things with. So that's the 6x8 pad. Then we move to the snap cards. So with the snap cards, there are 48 cards. You have a mixture of 3x4s, 4x4s, 2x2s, and 4x6s. So that'll kind of give you a feel for the different designs in the snap cards. Of course, I always like to use the chipboard, and the chipboard is great because you can use it flat or use it with pop dots or foam adhesive to give it a little bit of extra dimension. We have the bits and pieces, so the awesome little die cuts. There are 45 little bits and pieces there, and that'll give you a pretty good feel for the contents. The 12 by 12 sticker sheet, so lots and lots and lots of stickers that I am using to decorate all of the pages. We have the number pocket pieces. So number pocket pieces, numbers 1 through 25, different sizes in kind of your traditional Christmas colors. We have a roll of the Merry and Bright washi tape, such a pretty pattern. A 1 yard piece of this kind of really neat, it's not burlap, but it kind of has that burlap color to it. But it has gold glittered polka dots and then gold wire. So the nice thing about using a wired ribbon is that when you work with it, it stays where you want it to stay. Love that. And then last but not least, there are 12 little self-adhesive kind of pearl enamel, but pearl dots to use in decorating the cover throughout your album. All right, so that is the 2018 Document Your December kit from Layle by Mail, and watch shortly for the link on more details on how to order. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer.